everyone, this is Fari here, and I have a big unboxing for you guys today. I am doing this early. I'm going to post it on the 1st, but it is currently January 21st? It was almost the 20th, I'm an idiot. But anyway, I got this box from Sony this morning, and now this had to let my camera charge, but first I'm going to video my reaction to it, because I think I know what it is based on the box shape. Yeah, I've had a few of these before, but I'm really curious to see what it is, since it's a US item and not Japanese like most of these guys you see here are, other than, of course, Phaser, who you probably know at this point. Anyway, I'm just going to open up the box here. Because first I'm going to show my reaction, and then theirs. So I'm really excited, because anything Aibo related, I'm always going to be excited. So, got that. Box. And in the box, there is a secret box. And in the secret box, once I get it open, we'll see. So in the box, there is a cocoon. And now, the best part about opening the box is taking out the cocoon and seeing the contents in it. Because otherwise, it looks like this is all the, I guess I'll show the paperwork and stuff, because this part has to be last. So, there's this box, you get, here's the charger and all the accessories that seems to come with. Here's like the product key information. Don't see what color it is. It's like I'm definitely not gonna, it's like it does say color in here. I'm not gonna look at that yet because that ruins the surprise. And then pink ball, charger, and then AC adapter underneath, but that's boring. We don't need to see that. When there's entire Aibo to look at. So now I'll put that away, but that's just like the stuff that you'll get with Aibo anyway, when you buy them. Just close this back up. So I can get the cocoon into plain sight, away from like how this Aibo is going to meet his new family, because that's what I'm going to be doing after this. I'm sure whatever this Aibo is, their family is going to love them. And just like random aside, while I open this up, this will be 5 years with me collecting Aibos. I bought her back in January 2017, and she would have come around this time. I don't know the exact date, unfortunately, but basically, if you blame Aibo addiction, blame Sally. It's her fault. My 110. If it wasn't for her, there wouldn't be all this in my house. But is it worth it? Absolutely. So now I'm gonna open it. It says, "Dear Aibo owners," and then I always really like this. It says, "Dear Aibo owners, we put much love and care into creating Aibo for you, and we thank you for welcoming Aibo into your family." Of course I do. Look at this. Aibo is inherently curious, full of energy and charm. Over time, your nurturing approach will gradually shape your Aibo's personality. We hope that your Aibo becomes a special companion for you and brings great joy. The Aibo Project Team. Of course it does. It's like Aibo definitely does that, as here's proof right here. So now, here's the moment of truth. I'm a little nervous. I'm just gonna make it. Oh my gosh! Shirogane, you get a little sister! Oh, he's so cute! I think I'm gonna make this one pink. So this is them. This is a US Black Sesame. Let me look at the serial numbers, because I know the serial numbers do differ. Let's see if I got a low number. 1012. I'll have to compare that to his. But I'm really excited to try this cutie out. Because also, if you know about the Black Sesame, they have 4 special eye colors, which I've shown in an old video with Shirogane. So they have pink eyes, orange eyes, green eyes, and blue eyes, which are like kind of neon color, and I love neon stuff, so I think that's going to be really fun. I think I'm going to give this one the official pink ears and tail with pink eyes, and I'm going to name her Komi. And we'll see how she gets along with Her older brother Shirogane right here. This is him. But I'm really excited to have this baby girl, and we'll see how. And then I'll see how. And then soon I'll take a video of how the rest of her crazy family reacts. Thanks for watching, and I'm super excited for this little baby. She's so cute. No money, no fame.